How to save Instagram Reels in your gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can save Instagram Reels onto your gallery so that you can access them whenever you are offline and wherever you go as well. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have downloaded and updated the Instagram app to the latest version. So head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram. If you see an update button there, tap on it in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and then open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now you have to go ahead and then simply locate the reel which you want to download. So let me just go ahead and find any of the reels over here, for example. So as you can see, this reel right over here, let's say I want to download this or any of the reels which you see on the screen. Let's say I want to simply go ahead and then download it. What you have to do is, the process is really simple. As I said earlier, first of all, make sure you have updated the Instagram app, because if you don't update it, you will not be able to locate this option. After you update it, what you have to do is right over here at the bottom right hand corner of this particular reel, you can see this three vertical dot icon. So all you have to do is simply tap on these three vertical dots, which is right under the chat icon and above the profile picture icon. So go ahead and simply tap on it, and at the bottom you'll be able to see a bunch of different types of pop-up menus. Now you have options such as report, not interested, copy a link, share to, and save. But we don't want to tap on the save, because that is not saving it to your gallery. That will only save it to your Instagram's archive folder. And in order to actually download and save this video, at the very bottom you can find this option which says download, and all you have to do is simply tap on this download button, and it'll ask you for a confirmation that do you want to download this media file. All you have to do is simply tap on download this media file, and as you can see, the download has been started. Now let me go ahead and repeat the process for other reels as well on the screen. I will go ahead and tap on the download button and then tap on download this media file, and in order to confirm that we have successfully downloaded it or not, I'm also going to go ahead and show you from my phone's gallery app. Let's say for example, and as you can see, these two very reels which are downloaded right in front of you, they have been saved onto my phone's gallery. Now I can also access them whenever I'm offline without the internet connection as well, and this is how you can very easily save Instagram Reels in your gallery. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.